Today we are going to learn the solar planets. Which planet is this? Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a massive hot ball of plasma, inflated and heated by nuclear fusion reactions at its core. Part of this internal energy is emitted from the Sun's surface as light, ultraviolet, and infrared radiation, providing most of the energy for life on Earth. Which planet is this? Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It is a terrestrial planet with a heavily cratered surface due to the planet having no geological activity and an extremely tenuous atmosphere. Which planet is this? Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is a rocky planet with the densest atmosphere of all the rocky bodies in the solar system, and the only one with a mass and size that is close to that of its orbital neighbor Earth. Which planet is this? Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. This is enabled by Earth being a water world, the only one in the solar system sustaining liquid surface water. Almost all of Earth's water is contained in its global ocean, covering 70.8% of Earth's surface. Which planet is this? Mars. Mars is the fourth planet and the furthest terrestrial planet from the Sun. The reddish color of its surface is due to finely grained iron oxide dust in the soil, giving it the nickname, the Red Planet. Mars's radius is second smallest among the planets in the solar system at 3,389.5 kilometers. Which planet is this? Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, and slightly less than 1/1000th the mass of the Sun. Which planet is this? Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. It has only 1/8 the average density of Earth, but is over 95 times more massive. Which planet is this? Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is a gaseous cyan ice giant. Most of the planet is made out of water, ammonia, and methane in a supercritical phase of matter, which in astronomy is called ice or volatiles. Which planet is this? Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and the farthest IAU-recognized planet in the Solar System. It is the 4th largest planet in the Solar System by diameter, the 3rd most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth, and slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus.